welcome back to this channel. Today I am doing a room makeover. I normally don't do my intros like this, but everything's not working out right now, so I'm just going to do it vlog style for you guys. So today's makeover is in the playroom. I've wanted to do a makeover in that room for so long, and I finally got to do it yesterday. So I'm so happy I finished it, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Before we get into the makeover, I want to let you guys know that this is a very affordable makeover. It is under $300 and it's all things from IKEA and KMART. Let's get straight into this makeover. Morning everyone, today is a little bit different. Today we are doing a little bit of a makeover. This room here needs an extreme makeover. Like, it is 1 cluttered, 2 unorganized, and 3 just ugly as. Going to go shopping for a few things, come back and reorganize, redecorate, and make over this room. So this is what the room looks like at the moment. 3:30 and I'm just about to start painting this room. I've literally been out all day buying stuff for this room, so that's why I haven't started earlier. So we finally prepped the walls, they're all ready to go, and I can paint the walls. I'm really excited about this paint color because it's a color I normally wouldn't put in a playroom, but I really am excited to paint this. So I was going to go for a black, but I've decided to go for this like gunmetal gray, and it's just going on this wall right here. The wall is done and I'm loving this color. Like, it looks so nice. Also, I've got my lights on to see how it looks like with the lights on, but I'm loving this color. It looks so nice. I was going to go black and I'm so glad I didn't. I really like this gunmetal gray. While that is drying, I'm going to clean up the rest of this room, and I'm also going to start building some furniture.
Say I hope you're feeling say I hope you're feeling
It's about 5:30 now and I still have so much to do. I'm currently just putting this like shelving unit together how I want it to be. So I also brought in my new like crate boxes for the bookshelf, the cube shelf, whatever you want to call it. There's still a lot of junk everywhere, so I think this is going to take me all night because there is a lot of stuff to do. decided that I'm going to stop for the evening. It is very dark now. It is basically night time and I still have a few things to do, but I just want the wall to dry a little bit longer before I touch it, so I want to let it dry overnight, so we're going to do that. And then I'm going to finish up the last bits tomorrow morning. So the room is looking really nice, but I'm just gonna have to wait another day to finish it, unfortunately. Morning everyone, it is the next day. I've only got a couple of things left to do in this playroom. Jason is doing one of the hardest things in this playroom, is just hanging these things on the wall. It's really hard to explain, but basically they're curtain wires, but I'm not using them as curtain wires, I'm using them for something else. But Jason is just doing them for me right now, and I'm going to make the chairs for the table. So much easier. Are you ready to go see your new playroom? Yeah! Ready, set, go!
Go, 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 go!
Wow! And then you go straight for the window.
Go and sit down.
What's paper?
Huh?
You got paper. Paper's here.
Say I hope you're feeling.
Finally got to see his new room and he is so happy about it. Are you happy with your new room? So he's so happy, and me and Jason are both happy it is done and it looks fantastic. But I hope you all enjoyed seeing how we redecorated and renovated kind of this room. I'm so happy with it and I can't wait for many playtimes in this room. But I hope you all enjoyed and we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Bye!